We're at Sprewell Bluff Park in Thomaston, Georgia today for the 9th annual poker float, raising money for the Chamber of Commerce. We had about 105 people pre-registered, looking to have probably 150 to 175 people total, looking at about 2.5 to 3 hour float if you paddle hard. Have to be out of the river by 4 o'clock. As you can see, most people have already showed up, but we'll be here all day long raising money for the Chamber of Commerce.
I'm Lori Smith, President at the Thomaston-Upson Chamber of Commerce. We're here today at beautiful Sprewell Bluff Park in Thomaston, Georgia. We're so excited to have our 9th annual poker float. It's a great day to float. The weather is beautiful. We hope everybody has a great time. Our first place winner will win a brand new kayak courtesy of GLL Marine, and our second place winner will win $250. If you've missed it this year, be sure to come next year, the 3rd weekend in May, for the annual poker float.